I do hope that one day, like an NAD plus precursor like NMN gets classified as an essential micronutrient, because right now we have rules and we have studies to show that how much, for example, vitamin C we need to consume every single day. But there is no such rules right as yet for NMN, although we have found through the clinical studies that NMN is very important and just as important as your other vitamins and minerals. I do recommend that everyone, as long as you're an adult and above the age of 16, to try NMN and see how it fits into your lifestyle and how it fits into your health condition, because we all react differently to it, right? Some people might not feel anything. Some people feel like it's life-changing. So it really depends on your state of health. It depends on your lifestyle. It also depends on how active you are as well. But I do believe that because underlying it is such an important and essential nutrient that your body requires, taking NMN is not just a therapy, but it should be an essential part of your everyday supplementation.